Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be growing glowing crystals at home and I'm super excited because I've never done this before. So let's get right into the video. So behind the box, here are the kit supplies. You can pause the video to read it. And now I'm going to start opening the box. So I just opened the box and there are so many things in here. This is a crystal learning guide. And you can see the crystals in the back. You can read it and you can open it up and read this. And there's also the instructions to glow the crystals. And here it is. And I have to wait 3 to 4 days until they glow. Here's the set that I'm going to put the crystals in. Here are the cups, the magnifying glass, and the cord. And these are real natural crystals. And here are other things to glow the crystals. Okay, so right now I have a pot of water boiling. So first, I'm going to put my crystal glowing powder into the cup. And I also have 2 cups. So I'm going to do blue and yellow. So the blue powder is opened up. I'm going to start pouring it into the cup. And now I'm going to mix it to separate the chunks. Now I'm going to open up the yellow packet. And now it's time to pour it in. Okay, so I do see a few white chunks in here. I don't know if that's meant to be in there, but I'm going to break it up. Okay, these are all broken up. If this video gets 10 likes, then I'll do a part 2 to finish the rest of the crystals. While the water is boiling, comment down below who do you think is going to win the World Cup. Okay guys, the water is finished boiling and it's actually right here. So now I'm going to fill up the cups with the water. I have to be extra careful with this. And already that first cup was a mess. So now I'm going to do the second cup. This is actually really hot. Okay, now both of the cups are done. So I think I have to mix these now. Okay, so now I'm going to mix these cups for 2 minutes with this wooden spoon until all the powder is dissolved. And after mixing the blue one, the spoon is really blue. So now I'm going to go on to do the yellow one, and it might turn green. Okay, now both of the solutions have to cool down for 10 minutes. And while they cool down, let's look at some of these crystals in this bag. So here are the crystals that came out of this bag. There is some rose quartz right here. That's pretty cool. I think this is white quartz, milky quartz. Yeah, here's some quartz right here. And this is maybe emerald, aventurine, or jade. But I'm pretty sure this is aventurine. Looks like it. And I forgot what this crystal is called. I think it's called celestine or something like that. Or this might be blue calcite. Comment down below if you know what these 2 crystals are. Okay, so these have been sitting a little bit over 10 minutes, I believe. So now I'm going to open this and I'm going to add them in here. Okay, so now that this is open, I'm going to add it inside our solution. And look at these, they look pretty cool. Almost like marbles, but with sugar on it. And now all that's left to do is to wait about 3 to 4 days until it fully crystallizes. Alright guys, so we're back and it's been about 6 days. So now I'm going to take these out. Here's the blue one and here's the yellow one. So now I have a cup and I'm going to drain both of the liquid to see the crystals. Okay, so now all the liquid is in here and I'm going to get a paper towel and stick the crystals on them. Okay, so first I'm going to take out the yellow crystal. There we go. And now I'm going to take out the blue crystal. Now I'm going to remove all the imperfections. Okay, now I have to let them dry for a little bit. And actually, if I reach 15 likes, then I'll do a part 2 of doing the other crystals. Alright guys, so I have the display and there's already the lights flashing on it. Now I'm going to place these crystals on it in 3, 2, 1. You guys probably can't see, and it's also not dark yet, but they're actually glowing. I'm going to show it to you guys with the magnifying glass. Alright guys, so the magnifying glass is right here. Now I'm going to show you guys the crystals. Ooh, this one is very beautiful. This is so cool. This is like a quartz crystal, a quartz cluster. Okay, now I'm going to do the blue one in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's really cool. Yeah, these are like quartz clusters. I think the blue one is my favorite. This is really cool. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. This was actually a very fun experience. And if you want to see these crystals glow in the dark, go to my recent post. Hope you have a wonderful day and peace.